when God met Moses in the burning bush, He revealed His name. Basahin natin, sabi diyan, "But said Moses to God," sabi niya sa Diyos, "If I go to the Israelites and say to them na the God of your ancestors has sent me to you, anong sasabihin kong pangalan mo? What is His name? What do I tell them?" O anong sabi ng Diyos? Ito sabi niya, "I am who I am." Tapos dinardaran pa niya, sabi niya, "This is what you will tell the Israelites. I am has sent me to you." God declares His name as I am. Yun ang pangalan na sinabi niya kay Moses. I am. Anong ibig sabihin ng I am? Tanong niyo ako, ano? Eye sa Hebrew. O, i-park natin yan. Tandaan niyo yan kasi gagamitin ko yan mamaya. Yung I am, di ba, it's in the first person. Ibig sabihin, God, nung sinabi niya yan, He refers to Himself. I am first person. But when His people refer to Him, they use the third person. He is. Kasi third person. Diba? Pag second person, you are. Pero when the Israelites, dinidescribe ang Diyos, they are referring to Him, He is. Hindi nila sinabing, uy, si I am. Ganito, hindi. Uy, si He is nag-bless sa atin. Nasusundan niyo ako? Ang Hebrew ng salitang He is, Yahweh. That's why they refer to Him as Yahweh. He is not Eye. Kasi I am, parang sila yun. Am I making sense? Yahweh, the word Yahweh, appears 6,828 times sa English Bible. But, you cannot see all of them. Ha? Bakit, Brother Bars? Makinig po kayong mabuti. Again, huwag kayong bibitaw. Out of reverence, the Hebrew readers, iniiwasan nila ang pagbanggit ng pangalang Yahweh. So kapag nakikita nila si Yahweh, ang Diyos, they use a code name. Ano yung code name na yun? Tanong nyo kung ano? Adonai. Na ibig sabihin, eto na, Lord. Adonai, Lord. So kasi hindi nila mabanggit yung Yahweh. Bakit? They feel na it's so sacred, parang mahirap banggitin yung pangalan ng Diyos. One reason, very sacred ang pangalan ng Diyos. Pangalawa, hindi naman ganun talaga ang tamang at accurate pronunciation nun eh. Kasi wala namang vowels yun. YWH lang yan eh. Am I making sense? So that's the reason why pinalitan nila, nilagyan nila ng code name. Anong code name? Adonai. Nang ibig sabihin, Lord. Now, by identifying Himself as Yahweh, God differentiates Himself from the other gods. Hindi siya si Zeus, hindi siya si Marduk o si Ra, yung ibang mga Diyos-Diyosan nila. He is Yahweh, Adonai, Lord.